got it. Oh, shit. Yeah, whoa, what is that? I don't know, we gotta toast up to that, though. Oh. Oh, I got it. Yes. Yes. Got it. Yes, that was Paulette. Yeah, all right. Got some good ones. Got 25. Got a 1250. Let's keep it going. Oh, shit. Oh, 725. Go. All right, there we go. Don't play that game with us. Yeah, don't forget, hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely consider doing so. If you want to have fun with us. I'm sure you do. Let's go. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, 725. Go in the clutch. Got it. Got it. Oh, don't got it. All right. Let's see what we got. Oh, somebody's winning big. All right. All right. We'll take that. And we'll keep it going. Alright, yeah, pull up. Alright, yeah, keep it going. It is. Oh, look at that ball. $125 ball right there. You saw that? Got it, yes. Damn. Jeez, I forgot I had a deal there. Let's go. Go ahead, Paulette. Yeah. 0725. Go. There we go. There we go. There we go. 1250 ball right there. All right. 0725. Go. Let's get some words. Yeah. Majors at 738. So we'll take that. Minus 500. And the mini is the $100 mini. Let's go. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Oh, Paulette, on you. Let's go, Paulette. Got it! Yeah, nice one, Paulette. Oh, 725. Go. Oh, got it. Yeah. Ooh. All right. We'll take the grand. The grand's at 11,000, so we'll be content with that. Oh, 725. Go. Come on, give me one more. Oh, you jerk. Paulette, on you again. Oh, the mini's right there. Oh, the mini was playing around with us. He was flirting with us. Alright. Yeah, a little something. Keeping us going. Not bad. Alright. Oh. Got it. Yes. Max bet bonus. Let's go. Nice, Paulette. You got that one. Alright, 10 free games. Don't hose us, man. Don't hose us. Oh, re-trigger. Come on, baby. Hook it up. Oh, man.
Don't keep blocking us with that guy.
Oh, by times. Nice. Only on the Kings, though. Alright. Oh, yeah, $25. Oh, you jerk. Oh, I know. I like those multipliers, but shit. Come on, baby. Finish up strong. Oh, you jerk. Oh, look at that 5-time multiplier back there. Oh, come on, man. Oh, you could have. Oh, you could have re-triggered me. Oh, God. Yeah, $5 bet, $30 bonus. Yeah, that doesn't add up to me. Keeping us going. Got it. Order. Bang. Got it. Yeah, they connect. $25. Yeah, that's bonus. Not super free games, but we'll take that. Let's go. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. We got 15 games this time.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's you. You started off.
Yeah, 0725.
Oh. Alright, buddy. Hook it up.
Yeah, hook it up this time. Last bonus was a little rough. Yeah, where's those multipliers at?
We got extra games this time, so
I
expect
know.
extra money.
Yeah, extra games they could screw us on. Ah, come on. Ah, here we go with the nonsense. Come on, baby.
Dang, nothing.
Sheesh. Got it. Oh, shit.
Times 3.
Yeah, whoa, what is that? I don't know, we're gonna toast up to that though. Oh. I don't know what it is altogether. Let's see. Ooh, $375. Oh shit. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. We're up to 460. Oh, keep it
And look, we
going.
got 30 games now.
And we got 30 games. That is crazy.
Awesome.
That is insane.
Let's go.
Huge win.
Do it
Let's
again.
go. Oh. Yeah, definitely hit that thumbs up now.
I had no idea that the multipliers connected with the
Yeah, that
the
was
3
crazy.
games. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Didn't think it did that.
$375 hit right there.
And 30 games now.
Oh
we need
man,
another.
yeah,
Let's
but
go.
we need some wins though now.
Yeah, give it. Come on, where's the multiplier?
Oh, look at it right there. Oh, we need one jack in that second freaking reel. Jerk. Come on, baby. We got a lot of decimals now. All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Got the kings, got the queens.
Yes.
There we go. $75. Oh, $150. Let's go. Toast it up. Toast it up. Yeah, let's go. $685. Let's go.
Keep it going.
Look at this. Who picked out this game? Well, I didn't want to play 1 to 4. I had to stand strong. I had to stand strong on this one.
I like this guy. We can max bet him.
Yeah, yeah. Good call on playing this game though.
Come on,
Definitely.
let's go. Let's get some multipliers now.
Ooh, nice one. 685.
Come on, you have to send us some multipliers. Don't go dead.
Yeah, come on, don't go dead. You're doing very well. Oh, the eye. Kings. We'll take 1250, definitely.
Let's go. Couple more. Let's go.
Come on, baby. 4 more games. Let's go. Come on, let's see that multiplier. Come on. Last 3. Last 3. Oh, we'll take another trigger if you want to give it to us.
We're not greedy or anything.
Yeah, we're not greedy, but just saying.
All right, come on, that's
Take it.
2.
Oh, finish strong, finish strong. Come on, last. Oh, look at that 5 time. Finish strong, finish strong. Ah, you're not gonna finish strong, but that's all right. $700. $700. I'm gonna call it 700. 698. Let's go. Huge win. Let's go. Ooh, we're up to 856. We started with 100. So we're in definitely profit territory. $750 profit territory.